Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Business Account, secure method step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Navy Federal Credit Union homepage. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to reveal the login options. Select the business option from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the business login page. Enter your username in the specified field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in the required information, click on the Login button. If you have forgotten your username or password, click the appropriate link to reset them. Follow the instructions provided for resetting your credentials. If you encounter any issues during the login process, visit the Help section on the website. Here, you can find troubleshooting tips for common login problems. For additional assistance, consider contacting Navy Federal's customer support. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Make sure to log out after completing your tasks for your security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.